Good morning, sir. First of all, I want to say thank you for this interview. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sutan Timsina. I am 23 years old. I am from Moram, Nepal. I have plus two pass. I do not drink and smoke. I am single. Today I am going to apply for Romania. I have 2 years work experience as a warehouse worker at Aerospace Logistic Company in Nepal. I want to earn money to support my family, so I choose Romania. I can work 12 hours per day and six days per week. 6 days per week. My duties were quality check, forklift operator, scanning, packaging, loading, unloading, etc. I do not have any friends in Romania. I am waiting for your good response. Thank you. My name is Susan Josina.
ट्रक ड्राइभर तपाईँ ड्राइभर नस्ता मान्छे जान्छ भिआई मान्छेहरू स्टेनर मान्छेहरू जाने हो त्यहाँ त बस्ने घन्टा
Are you feeling good? Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.